did what we said we were going to do. Put families first with paid sick leave, paid sick days, family and medical leave, unemployment insurance for the children. Maybe over 20 million children get their meals at school. They have food insecurity, and this bill addresses that, as well as food for our seniors and others who depend on that.
The Senate is right here at work. We're crafting the major legislation that the American people deserve in the face of this major challenge. And it's my intention that the Senate will not adjourn until we have passed significant and bold new steps